Here is my review for the very excellent wireless doorbell we've just bought.
And here is my second parcel of the day from Amazon. I know I've got two other things on order, so I'll have to see which one of them it is. Ah yes, this is the Smart Home Wireless Doorbell. Now this particular one has got two ringers and one bell push. And I got this because I thought it would be very useful to have one of the bell pushes somewhere where we could pick it up and take it out into the back garden, and the other bell push in a more normal bell push situation. It comes with some sticky pads for sticking them on the wall by the looks of it. And I'm just having a look to see whether the bell pushes are designed to fit into some kind of a bracket. Ah yes, here we are, look. There's a little screw hole in the back there, so you can put a screw in the wall and hook them over it, which means if you put this somewhere near your back door, you can just hook it off the hook and take it into the back garden if you're out in the garden, and you'll still be able to hear if someone comes to the front door. I'm going to read the instructions and so on because I need to find out what other functions this thing has, whether it's just a doorbell or whether it's got some other functions too. And it comes with all of the batteries you need, which is quite nice. They look like they're all AAAs. I expect it'll work with rechargeable as well, but it comes with some heavy-duty AAA batteries. So let's have another quick look at this. This is the bell push, so the battery goes in it that way round. It's a 12-volt, 23-amp battery. Probably lasts quite a long time, that one. And it comes with two little countersunk screws. So what you can do is you can punch through the bottom of this base plate for the bell push and screw it to a suitable surface. So I'm probably going to screw this outside. I'm guessing it's weatherproof, but I will just check that before I install it. And then the ringers themselves take 3 batteries. Yeah. Just try the ones that come with it to start with. I might actually install it with some rechargeables, but there we go. 1, 2, 3. So there's a tune selector button on the side somewhere. Oh yes, there we are. Tune selector button here. And this is the volume selection button here. Here's the bell push and here's the pad. Just take the backing paper off the pad and stick it to the back of the doorbell, which I've already put the batteries in. There we are, so that's all ready to go on the door now. And here is the doorbell push going into its final position. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and here's the bell at the bottom of the stairs. So again, see, I was going up into the bathroom. I could just lift the thing off the wall, take it and put it somewhere safe in the bathroom, and then when I'm finished, here's the bell push by the back door. If I'm going out in the back garden, I can just lift it off its little screw there, put it on the table, and I'll obviously hear it if anybody's at the door.